All right, I got it. I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to unbox it, although I've already done it one time for a separate video, but I'm going to do it again because this presentation is just so great. This is Armaf Precieux, or Precious, or it's French for precious. I'm putting it on this green background because it's black on black, makes it kind of hard to see. But yeah, this thing is going to be one of their, I guess, Armaf's higher end lines out there. It's going to only be about 50-ish milliliters of liquid and juice inside. The smelly water is smaller than normal. It's also about 50 bucks. So it's a higher priced fragrance for Armaf, but it's also an Extrait de parfum. So it's very, very strong and concentrated oil. So you will get a good bit out of this as far as projection and sillage, at least in theory. So get that little rubberized silicone cover off, almost like a book. Then we pop open, how do it? Come on, there it goes. There we go. Got a little display in there. I'm not gonna read that, just know it's there. I mean, this presentation is pretty awesome. I mean, there's no real doubt about it. I'll zoom out a little bit so you can see a little more. But yeah, just beautiful. It's like a gift box. It's very well done. Then you get, it even comes with a little wiping cloth in the middle. I actually used that to spray and test at one time. It smells amazing. It's just, this is going to be in that Creed Aventus Absolute kind of DNA. So really it's like Creed Aventus, but stronger. Overall, there you see the bottle. This is going to be what is known in the business as a fingerprint magnet. And it's going to drive me crazy, but I don't care because the fragrance is just that beautiful. So let's get all the various accoutrements out of the way, since we're going to do French accents for this French named fragrance. But look, the fingerprints are just maddening for me. So got to deal with it, but you know, it is what it is. So let's go ahead and talk about the notes. Well, let's look at the presentation. Very simple, elegant bottle. Looks a lot like some of the other Armaf stuff, but even more simplified, more elegant, more lean, for lack of a better term. Let's talk about those notes real fast. Opening top notes of pineapple, lemon, bergamot, caramel, which is not a normal opening note in my opinion, typically. Then you get pear, pink pepper, and black pepper, so a spicy combo in there. Middle notes of oak moss, white wood. That's where I kind of think, whenever I hear white wood, I think birch. That's kind of what I think they're going for anytime I hear that. Jasmine, lily of the valley, anise, which to me makes me think like licorice maybe. Then you get base notes of ambroxan, white musk, amber, patchouli, vanilla, leather, and cedar. This thing has a lot of notes. It's like almost 15 notes, I think. So quite a few in there. Let's go ahead and do the spray on paper. As always, we do spray on paper. We do spray on skin. I give you my basic impression of both. Then I kind of blip out of existence and I come back in and I talk to you about all the fun stuff like projection and longevity and that kind of stuff. Just general performance after we get past those notes. I'm going to say this. For it being such a higher end version, this atomizer is kind of garbo. But the fragrance is nice. Oh, it's strong. It's like, and not in a bad way. It's not like cloying in any way at all. It's just like, it's marketed as unisex. This is a men's cologne. I'm sorry, this is not a woman's cologne. A woman would not feel appropriate wearing this in most circumstances. The wood notes are there in the opening. Even though they're not listed as a opening note or a top note, they're definitely there from the get-go, that white wood in particular. But you also have the fruit notes in there, but they're not super duper sweet on paper. So if you don't know the way it translates, if you are a clothing sprayer, which I would be careful with since this is a high oil concentration fragrance, you might stain your clothing. But if you are a clothing sprayer, you'll get more of what I'm describing right now. If you're a skin sprayer, I'll do that in just a second, kind of give you a different layout. But yeah, that's just a beautiful, lightly sweet wood fragrance with the citrus and those other notes. The note I'm not getting at all, I'm trying to find it, is the caramel. I'm not really noticing that. Maybe just like a general sweetness, but when you combine like sweet fruits with wood and stuff, you kind of end up getting some of that anyway. And they're gonna kind of mix together. And I'm not a perfectly trained nose by any stretch of the imagination. So let's go ahead and do the wrist. 1 and 2. If you can't tell, it's a little shiny. That's because it's a lot of oil. Let it flash for just a second. Look at the bottle. All right. Way sweeter on skin. Okay, that's important to know. It's way sweeter on skin, but again, not cloying. It's the wood is a little more in the background. That white woods or that light wood is in the background. You get more of the pear and bergamot and lemon, in my opinion. This is not a pineapple fragrance that's like, bam, here's a can of Dol Monte pineapples right in your face. It's not that strong on the pineapple, in my humble opinion. And I'm actually getting a little, the sweetness I'm getting, I can get why they're calling that a caramel note. But really, to me, just makes me think of like sugar mixed with wood. That's kind of what I'm getting. But it's definitely more sweet on skin, so keep that in mind. It'll come off a little sweeter on skin, but those sweet notes tend to fade the fastest, so if you're like, I don't like sweet fragrances, you might still be okay here. All right, so I think that's enough of me talking about the opening notes. I'm going to blip out of existence, and then I'm going to come back after I've worn this for a couple days and tell you about the dry down, the longevity, what those other notes do as time goes on, and of course, the projection. Is this thing beast mode? Does it have crazy siege, crazy wake, all that fun stuff? So I'll jump back in just a minute to talk about that. All right, let's go ahead and talk about it. It's been worn, I've put some time into it, and I really do enjoy Club de Nuit Precieux. Again, just as a quick reminder to myself, this is one of their newer offerings from Armaf. It's like one of their premium offerings. This is Extrait de Parfum, 55 milliliter bottle, so a little smaller, but way stronger. And yeah, this thing performs really well, projects hard for the first hour, goes beyond that for another 4 hours. Very professional. It's a little sweeter in the opening now that I've worn it a few more times than it was when I initially sprayed it on. The note that kind of surprised me that comes out as strong as it does after about, I don't know, 45 minutes is the anise, which is basically what, think like licorice. Like it's that kind of, it's like a very sweet licorice that kind of comes out in addition to some of the florals and woody notes. But yeah, it's very nice. I would say the woody notes are kind of like a white, crisp, clean kind of wood, very much similar to the original Club de Nuit in that manner, so that birch wood kind of DNA profile. The final dry down is very smooth, very nice. The patchouli, vanilla, leather, and cedar come out more than anything else. There is some white musk in there. I don't really pick that up in the notes. The ambroxan's there, but if I had to give the dry down like a single or a couple notes to kind of stick to, it's like cedar, leather, vanilla. That's what I kind of get the most out of in the final dry down. But yeah, excellent option, and it does project very well, but it's also very inoffensive because those opening notes are kind of fruity, smooth, caramel, very, just overall very pleasant. Even if it does kind of fill the room, it's not a harsh filling of the room, and it's only temporary. Like first hours when you kind of got to worry about filling the room up with yourself. So after that, it's a very professional, office safe scent. Other than that, not much else to say about it. This is definitely in my rotation, just as like the dumb reach on the shelf. Like, what am I going to wear today? I don't know. I don't know what it's going to be like. What's the weather going to be like? Is it going to rain? Is it going to be too cold, hot, whatever? This is just a good anytime fragrance, any weather, any occasion. No one's going to be offended by this. It could be worn in the office. It can be worn for date night. It can be worn day, night, summer, winter, fall, spring. Doesn't really matter. It's pretty much safe at all times as far as what you would expect to smell and wear and feel appropriate in. So yeah, great option from Armaf. Club de Nuit Precieux. Remember, Extrait de Parfum, so I'm always warning with that much fragrance oil is be careful spraying on clothing because it can leave oil spots from the massive amount of fragrance oil that's actually in the final product. But other than that, very happy with the purchase overall, and can't wait to see what they come out with next.